Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset your password in Mobile Legends. Alright, let's begin. There are two main methods you can use to reset your password in Mobile Legends. For the first method, start by launching the game and tapping on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, access the Accounts tab on the left side and then open the Account Center. Inside the Account Center, tap on Change Password. You will be prompted to verify your account through your registered email address. Enter the verification code you receive into the required field and then set a new password for your account. For the second method, go to the same Accounts tab and tap on Switch Account. From here, select Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address to receive a password reset link or verification code. Once you receive it, follow the same steps as the first method. Verify your email, enter the code, and then create your new password. So that's basically how you can reset your password in Mobile Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.